Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle of a Honda Insight.
So the reason I took my door panel off was to fix this. Ice storm. I'm not sure how this is going to come out. I've tried to get this out before and I failed, so we'll see what happens. Window back up. So there's the door handle. Pretty sure those are 10 millimeters because it's a Honda. I think I'm going to try to remove this piece to try to get more access to that. Okay. I'm not recording this, but take those out. So this is the inside of the door handle. I want to point out one thing. There's some instructions that say remove a clip. I don't think they mean this clip. There's another clip. It's really hard to see, but it goes in here. And what it does is it locks this lock cylinder into the door handle through this frame here. So this frame is what's mounted to the door. This slips in from the outside. This piece clips onto a little metal bracket, which I'll show you in a second, or a metal stick, I don't know, rod. And then this piece is what is so hard to get to. I ended up having to use a little mirror and a pick. And you have to go at it, this is a broken door handle, but you have to go at it like up this direction from in here, from in the door with a pick. Like a 90-degree pick, you can get it out. It's gonna be annoying. Another thing, this rod attaches, this is what, actuates the main part of the door here, this rod. But there's this little fragile metal clip, or plastic clip right here that the rod snaps into. That can break, so what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna unscrew this whole handle just by, rotating it around. I'm gonna put the new one on and hopefully get the same amount of threads here, because that's gonna change how this door handle feels. So I'm gonna just count the threads and then mimic the same thing with the new handle that's not broken. Alright, so what I did is I put one bolt in right here just to hold this frame here, and then I pre-installed the door lock from the back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw this part on until it matches the same threads. I counted 4.5, so we're going to thread that on there, see what it looks like. Alright, so the door handle's in, same number of threads. This clip, instead of trying to put it in once the door handle's in, which would be impossible, what you can do is you can slip it onto this guy before you put the handle in. I'm gonna do this off camera, otherwise I'm gonna scratch the paint. But then you should just be able to pop it on. We'll see. Also, this is the best way to get this on. Put it on one side, put it over here, and then take a pair of pliers or something. Just get it over that edge. There. Now it's snapped in. So just start it on one side, put it over here, then push it over with a pair of pliers. Now when I put this door handle on, it should just snap right in. Alright, check it out, working door handle. What I wound up doing was I put one hand on the inside of the door, like that, and I pushed on the back of the lock, and then I took my other hand and pushed like right on this part of the door handle until I heard a big clack. Now the thing's in, so let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it's working. It's not bolted in yet, so it's got a little bit of play, but should be good. Gonna just reassemble now and make sure that I put the key in the right way, because just double check before I put it all together.